Alright, welcome to this video where I will be explaining to you and walking you through how to set up the Swatch display app on your own. So this is the dashboard page, and as you can see, there are three steps to set up the app completely. The first one, you will need to activate the theme embed app inside your theme settings. So we can use this button right here, and once we click it and it loads, we will have this one, the app embed swatch v2 enabled. This is really important in order to have our swatches displayed on the website. Please don't use this old one. It is only kept for old users. So after that, we can exit and close this one and get back to the app. So second step will be to set up the variant list settings. You can access it either from here or using this button. So once we're there, this is all the variants of your store. So in this case, in this demo store, I'm using size, volume, title, color, denomination. These are all the variants that I've got. And here we have two general settings. So the add to cart settings, it will be displayed on the home and collection page below every swatch, every product card. So we can enable it using this button. And there is the analytics settings, which help us track down the impact of the swatches on your store. Each variant has a card with its proper settings. Same thing is done for every variant. So we can see that we can choose to display on the products page. Yes, because right now you can have swatches also on your product page, and we can choose to display on the home and collection page. So if we enable both, we have both of them. And when we choose, for example, for the product page, you can also choose which swatch type we will have for this variant, so how it will display it, either as a text or as a color or image. So in my case, I used text, and I used color image for text for product page and color image for home and collection page. There is also the tooltip. Tooltip will be used for in home and collection page swatches when we hover over the swatch. So I kept them enabled. So once you play with these settings and choose use settings, also a quick note on the quick swatch. Quick swatch is they are like text swatches, but once you click on them, instead of redirecting you to the product page, they will add the variant you selected to the cart. So I will get back to color and image, hit save. Once you hit save and you see this banner, you can, because I chose color and images, I need to enter values. So I will click on edit variants, and here I have all the variant options values for the variant size. So yeah, medium, large, small, and extra. All are options related to the variant size. So I can choose colors, for example, I don't know, red, green, and blue. Here I can also choose like two colors. It will be split, the swatch will be split in half, so I can choose a second color. I can also like either upload an image, use an image URL, like an image stored as well, or your image variants that are already stored in your products. But for this demo, I will just choose keep the color one option, or hit save. It's important to hit save so that it's taken into consideration. And then I will move on to the swatch design settings. Here, this was the third step, if you remembered. If we get back to dashboard, after setting variant list, there is the swatch settings. So we need to hit that. And here once more, there are two categories, the settings for the product based swatches or the settings for the home and collection swatches. They are separated, so you can have different settings you use here are not applied for products page and vice versa. So we need to remember that if we enable it both product page and home collection page, we need to set up both, so one at a time. So first I will start with this one, and I will hit text because I used it. Here I have all the parameters for the swatches for the product page, and this is a little preview which can let you see what happens when you change and play around with settings. I can increase the gap, I can increase padding, you can also choose different colors. There's also a hover for this effect. We'll let you play with it until you find your best customization. Same things for color. You can keep the gap or bridge the gap, like use 0 or keep a gap between them, between 22 pixels. You can really customize these swatches as much as you want. You can increase the circle size or decrease it, keep this to 0 for example. You can really play around. You can also change like the shape from circle to, I don't know, rectangle. It's something, or anything in between, so it's something you can play with it. You just hit save. It's important to go through every type and hit save so that it's taken into consideration and that it is displayed on your store. So I finished with the product page. I will hit now the home and collection page, hit explore. So I have the swatch text, color, image, tooltip, because tooltip only exists for home and collection page swatches, and add to cart button and quick swatch settings for swatches on home and collection page. So I hit the swatch text first. See, the settings are a bit different than product those for product page. Again, I can play with this. I can increase the size of or change it. Same thing with colors, but I will keep it like this for the sake of briefness and move on to swatch color image. Same thing here. You can play with this or not. You can decrease it, hit save. For tooltip, I can choose the text that will appear. For example, low stock count. If I choose the number 5, so if your variant's stock count is at 5, less than 5, so it will show the low stock text. Like for this one, low inventory, you can change it as much as you want and customize this text. If it's out of stock, it will show this message like here, and if it's in stock, like higher than this number, or it will show it higher or equal, it will show it like in stock. And these are just examples, so I just set them so that this option has a low stock, this one has an inventory of 0, and this one has a higher inventory, just so that you can see the impact of these settings. You need to hit save again. Just take a bit of time. Yeah, so it is successfully updated. We'll go and look at the add to cart button. I would highly recommend you to go over all these settings and modify them. Those are the buttons that will appear on your add to cart. Again, you will need to open your website and click the button and see how it is visualized. For now there are no models, but on your store there is a model. For the quick swatch, as I said, it is a swatch like another one, but instead of redirecting you to the product page, you will just add the variant option to your cart. So if a client clicks here on XS, it will add the item with the variant option XS to the cart. Okay, item added to the cart, and then it will show the swatches again. This is just it was just a confirmation message. Here you can customize that message for the quick swatch. You can customize this text for the add to cart. Play with these settings. When you hover on the button, play with the colors, also the padding, border thickness, text font, font weight, and the alignment, either left, right, or center. Just keep it. I will just keep it like this. Alright, so I went through all these types of swatches and made sure to save them. Same thing for the products. I went through both of them and save them. So you can see that I successfully went through all these steps, these 3 steps. So now I can take a look at my store. You will see, for example, right, these swatches are empty because I didn't edit the values. This is something you can do here, going through the variant list settings and clicking on this button, edit variant option values. You always need to do that and hit save once so that we can see them. Like right now, if I refresh, you will see it will be black. You can see them. This is the setting where I choose like the color split, like 2 colors, and you can see that it is split. These are the colors I chose. This is button, the add to cart button. And we're now these are like the swatches for the home and collection page. I will now show you like the product page. So these are my swatches. As you can see, they are customized. You have all your options, and you have the name of option selected, also the price, the current price. If you move around, you can see that it is out of stock, it is displayed. If I get back to the catalog, I can show you something else, like going back here to the settings, and because the variant here, if I remember well, yeah, volume, right? So I will go back to volume, and on collection page, instead of having a color image, which is what I've got here, I will choose to have a quick swatch, and I will hit save. You can see I have a quick swatch, and what I will do is that I will try it before you. You can also see the tooltips. I will hit save, I will click on it, and you will see that it will add it to the cart. It is added to the cart. So if I refresh, go to my cart, you can see that it was added. Now I can also show you more of the text swatch. Yes. Let's put text here as well. Hit save. So there we go. You can see these are text swatches. Again, this is just the default setting. You can play with it and set it as you want, so that it goes with the layout of your store, and it feels nice with your brand and how it looks. So this was a quick video and demo on how to set up the app.